भारती, समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की, भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। I heartily welcome you to the PMS Samachar channel from the international world. Pakistan, officially the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, is a country in South Asia. It is the world's fifth most populous country, with a population exceeding 212.2 million. By area, it is the 33rd largest country, spanning 881,913 square kilometers. Pakistan has a 1,046 kilometer coastline along the Arabian Sea and Gulf of Oman in the south, and is bordered by India to the east, Afghanistan to the west, Iran to the southwest, and China to the northeast. It is separated not only from Tajikistan by Afghanistan's Wakhan corridor in the northwest, and also shares a maritime border with Oman. It is understood that the economic corridor being built between China and Pakistan being replaced by a military agreement with China. Country what included the Congress in the map of Indian areas in Nepal. Education, teachers are raising the voice by giving financial assistance to the working personnel of government private schools of the native country and state. Sacraments, private school operators are helping the poor. Environment. The Gomti River is a tributary of the Gangas according to Hindu history. The river is the daughter of the Hindu sage Vasishti. Bathing in the Gomti on Ekadasi can wash away sins. According to Bhagavad Puran, one of Hinduism's major religious works, the Gomti is one of the India's transcendental rivers. The rare Gomti Chakra is found there. Invention. A watch is a portable timepiece intended to be buried or worn by a person. It is designed to keep a consistent movement despite the motions caused by the person's activities. A wristwatch is designed to be worn around the wrist, attached by a watch strap or other type of bracelet, including metal bands, leather straps, or any other kind of bracelet. Watches progressed in the 17th century from spring-powered clocks, which appeared as the 14th century. Great person. Shahid Udham Singh was revolutionary belonging to the Ghadar party, best known for his assassination in London of Michael O'Dwyer, the former lieutenant governor of the Punjab in India, on 13 March 1940. Assassinations was in revenge for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in Amritsar in 1919, for which O'Dwyer was responsible. Singh was subsequently tried and convicted of murder and hanged in July 1940. While in custody, he used the name Ram Mohammad Singh Azad, which represents the three major religions of Punjab and his anti-colonial sentiment. Maharashtra is the state in the western peninsular region of India, occupying a substantial portion of the Deccan Plateau as the home of the Marathi people. Maharashtra is the second most populous state and third largest state by area in India, spread over 3,07,713 kilometers square. Crops. Pearl millet is the most widely grown type of millet. It has been grown in Africa and the Indian subcontinent since prehistoric times, the center of diversity and suggested area of domestication for the crop in the Sahel zone of the West Africa. Recent archaeobotanical research has confirmed the presence of domesticated pearl millet on the Sahel zone of northern Mali between 2500 and 2000 BC. Chrysanthemums, sometimes called mums on chrysanthemums, are flowering plants of this genus. Chrysanthemum in the family Asteraceae. They are native to East Asia and northeastern Europe. Most species originated from East Asia, and the center of diversity is in China. Countless horticulture varieties and cultivators exist. Fruit. Malda and adjoining districts in West Bengal form one of the largest mango yielding regions of them, country producing over 5 lakh tons or near 5% of India's national yield. The regulation has come as big blow as UAE consumes around 70% of Indian mango export. Yoga Garbhapradhan embryo in bomb pose, sometimes shortened to Garbhasana, is a seated balancing asana in Hatha Yoga and modern yoga as exercise. The benefits of Garbhasana: improves sense of balance, helps to control anger, alleviates nervous disorder. The Pacific Ocean is the body of water between Asia and Australia in the west, the Americas in the east, the Southern Ocean to the south, and the Arctic Ocean to the north. It is the largest named ocean and it covers 1/3 of the surface area of the entire world. It joins the Atlantic Ocean at a line drawn south from Cape Horn, Chile, Argentina to Antarctica, and joins the Indian Ocean at a line drawn from Tasmania, Australia to Antarctica. As Atlantic slowly gets wider, the Pacific is slowly shrinking. The arithmetic is a branch of mathematics that consists of study of numbers, especially the properties of the traditional operations on them: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. One critical use of daily arithmetic is taking account with the threat of identity theft and online banking. Ayurveda Nadostachys jatmashi is a flowering plant of the valerian family that grows in Himalayas. It is a source of the type of intensely aromatic amber colored essential oil. Pinkard, the oil has since ancient times have been used as a perfume, as a traditional medicine, and in religious ceremonies. Education: India can become self-sufficient by sending the most on research. Gurudev Sri Prem, the founder of Prema Lok Mission School, said this Saturday. Today's event, birth of President Donald Trump in 45 of America in 1946, Juggling Day, Cupcake Day, International Bath Day, World Blood Donor Day, International Flag Day. Weather: the weather in Delhi, Haryana started raining after a windstorm. Today's temperature in Patna 28 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 31 degrees Celsius. Patna University is the first university in Bihar, was established on 1st October 1917 during the British Raj and is the 11th oldest university of the Indian subcontinent. At that time, jurisdiction of the university extended to Bihar, Odisha and the Kingdom of Nepal. Now the pronunciation of some words: Arctic. Note the C after R. Say Arctic, not Arctic. Ask. The S comes before the K. Say ask, not ask us. Athlete. The word has 2 syllables, not 3. Say athlete, not athlete. Today's food, that's all. I take for tomorrow leave. Stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष गों शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः